Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Nissan Juke versus Mitsubishi ASX. Start by checking roof height, cargo space, and seating comfort to match your lifestyle needs. Listen for differences in driving feel, fuel use, and tech features to decide if you prefer a sporty compact or a practical crossover. I will walk through performance, interior, safety, and ownership costs so you can pick the better fit for your budget and priorities. When assessing performance, think about city driving and highway runs to see which model suits you best. The Juke leans toward sporty responses and tighter turns, while the ASX favors a relaxed, stable ride at speed. Pay attention to transmission behavior during merges and hill starts, plus how each car handles potholes and crosswinds. Those practical impressions often matter more than peak horsepower figures when choosing a daily driver. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future comparisons. Quick recommendation: leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and prevent messy spills in your car on road trips or test drives. They are perfect for packing lunches when you want to compare two cars without worrying about leaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practicality can decide the winner for many buyers, so measure trunk space, rear legroom, and ingress ease yourself. Factor in real fuel consumption for your commute and the likely cost of routine maintenance. Also compare warranty terms and common repair experiences to estimate ownership costs. I will highlight which model typically suits single drivers, couples, or small families, helping you balance comfort, economy, and long-term value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.